Kia Cuties, and welcome back. Today is going to be fairly short. I'm just showing you all my new office setup space with my new inventory. I had to make more room. I made a homemade jewelry rack using some supplies from Dollar Tree and Target and Walmart. Did get these racks from Target and they were bright pink, but I do not like bright pink personally, and my office is purple and gold, so I had to spray paint them purple and black. Go ahead and start stacking up some inventory. These are my essential oil rollers. I did get the adhesive hooks and super glue from Dollar Tree. Now with the hooks, they are sticky back, but I just wanted to use super glue just for an extra support, just in case it might get hot in my office one day and it decides to peel off and sweat off, and it'll have the glue to keep it on. These are my eyeshadow pigments. I have not talked about these coming because I only ordered a few just to see how they sell, but I'm very excited to. These were the cutest of things to me. I saw them at Walmart and I just could not resist. Oh my gosh, look how cute they are. I'm going to store some of my lash ones in there. I will also use this as a jewelry storage. And this is some of the finished product. So excited. And of course I'm still, got a little bit more work to do. Put some more things in my drawers. But for the most part, right now, this is a lot of my new inventory other than my shirts. I also have some of the rainbow crop shirts. I can see that. We got some red baby girl shirts along with the pink.